Okay, now you just need to know the main idea about your product. It will generate the content and select the template. Okay, it will generate your PowerPoint just in 1 minute. That is very efficiency. It's very impressive.
Hey guys, this is Frank. In this video, I will show you another very powerful AI tool, which is the AIPPT. This will be very helpful for you to create the PowerPoint slides. I keep learning a lot of AI tool, which could help me more productive. I created my Navitalk AI pitch deck about a few months ago, and I hired someone to do this. So for my Navibot, I probably could do it by myself since we have a whole bunch of the AI tool right now. I use this one to create my pitch deck for the Navibot. Okay, now let's start from beginning. They have a few ways to create the PowerPoint. The first one you could create from a topic. If you only have some brief idea about your product or your project, you could start from here. Also, you could use the flow. If you have a better description for your product or project, you could use this one. If you have some description but not well done, you could use the Markdown or the text or even the URL. If you already have a website or have the blog, I will show you how to do this. Okay, let's start from the topic. So from the topic, you need to have some idea about your product. So I just use the ChatGPT to generate the topic, introduce the Navibot. Now you just copy this summarize to here. Yeah, it's very easy. So Navibot is an AI robotic company focused on building the open source project, something like that. So I only need 10 page, 10 to 15. I need a professional. I would prefer pick up the ChatGPT 5.1 because this one is more smart. So now let's say investor, let's say public speech. Okay, so let's start. Now it will generate the headline for each page. It only needs like 10 seconds to get it generated. I think everything looks so good. So you could add one more if you need more. You can use the AI created image in your PowerPoint, or you could use the image from the template. So let's generate that. Now it will allow you pick up the template. I need a professional one. I need the technology. Let's pick up, because all about the robotic, I need to pick up the professional robotic. I like this one. This one is match our website style. Start. Okay. It's very fast. It will load the template very quick and put the content to the template. So now it's done. It only took about half minutes. You could share this one, but I think I still do some modify for, you could go here. For example, if the logo, you don't like this one, you could change this one. Now let's upload the logo. Yeah, it's very easy. You want to create yourself, so you could use the AI image. So let's say create me a logo. Now here generate a new logo. You could double click this one and crop this a little bit. So it's it. If you want to replace this image, you could just click this one and pick up a new one. So it will back to this one. Now there's one more thing I need to show you about the template. Even you already generate the PowerPoint, you want to change this one. So this one and pick up a new one. Here, it will change this very quickly. They have about 1,000 of the template. All of them come with the copyright, so you don't need to worry about the copyright. They create this by themselves. You could just pick up from here very easily. Okay, this is how to create the PowerPoint slide from the topic. If you have a better description for your product, I would prefer you use this one. So this one allow you input more text, more description with the text or the Markdown format. So this is your content. I just put it over here. Let's do it. So you can see you have more page. Pick up the AI grid. Just select a template. Okay, now let's use this one. Let's generate it. Okay, only need about 40 seconds to generate. So you could edit that. Yeah, the same deal. Another one I need to show you about the import from the URL. This one is also very convenient. I have some blog. So recently I released a video, but I want to create a presentation for this one. So I need to demonstrate this project. So here is how I do this one. I just copy the URL, say import from URL, generate slides. You could always change this later. So let's just generate that one and change the template later. Okay, now it's generate 61 page. Let's go back here. I can search the template. So yeah, it's something like this one. I like it. Yeah, it's very easy to create the PowerPoint slides for your blog event. So I like this very much. Okay, the last one I will show you about flow. Let's generate one from the topic. You have more capability to modify your slides. This is a theme. The theme about the color, which style you want. You will say the style is different. Even the UI, the layout is different. Yeah, they have more tool, like you can change the text style, the layout, diagram, add more card. I like this one. You can upload the image collection. So you could add more image over here. This is how to upload your image. You could automatically generate an image. Let's drag this to here. So I could create one. Create me and robot. So not robot. Okay. Let's just generate this one. Okay. Let's do it. Now it will generate. You don't need to find anything. It just automatically generates one. Also, you can generate the QR bar. So yeah, this is how it's going to work. You don't need to find another tool. You could do everything just in the AIPPT. Yeah, it's very productive and very convenient. This morning, I found they did a great upgrade for the UI and the layout. So you can see the UI looks much more clean and more consistent. So you can access most of the features just in one page. So let me do some try. Let's go. On the left side, you can see we have the outline. On the right side, we have some parameter and some configuration. So you don't need all the way scroll to the bottom of the page. You can access this one. You can pick up the model. So for this case, let me just pick up the Nano Planner tool. Let's generate this one. It will automatically generate the photo, the image, but it will take some time. I already have something generated, so you can see this image comes from the Nano Planner, so it looks very good. It's very precise. It's related with your project. Yeah, it looks very good, but it needs some time, about 2 minutes. So one more thing I need to mention is the mobile app. The AIPPT also supports the mobile app. I already have it installed on my iPhone, so it's here. And this is not something shrinked. It's come with all features, the same as the PC version. Let's put the prompt here and generate the outline, whatever you could do in your PC version. So you could even pick up the Nano Planner Pro. Let's do this one, confirm. and select a template. Select that template. Okay. Let's generate. It needs some time. Okay. Now, after about 2 minutes, it's get generated. Yeah, it's very convenient. If you have some job still need to work on your PC, so you could keep using your iPhone to work on the same project. After I used this one for a few days, I use this one to create my navigable pitch deck. It's worked very well. I really like this one. The reason I love this one because it's very fast. I also use some other AI tool to create the PowerPoint slides, but they are pretty slow. Sometimes it's not what really you want, so you need to redo that again. It will take another 10 minutes, but this one is very fast. And you have the capability to modify that and retry that very quick. So if you guys interested with this AI tool, you could check my video description and find the link over there. Okay, thank you for your time. See you next time. Bye.